I have a brand new human hair wig just released from Starluck Wigs, which you find on Amazon. I had never done an Amazon wig before, but they reached out to me a few months ago and I did one and I love it. It is just like perfect length, perfect density. It's a great, unbelievable deal because I think that one was right around $100 for a human hair wig. This one is around $150, I believe, but I wanted to show you as I open the package. Isn't this color gorgeous? This is the one, I think it's called Ombre, maybe blonde, ombre, light brown, something like that. But that's the color I chose. It's so pretty. They had a brown and a blonde, I think, and then the ombre one. But they are a great deal for human hair, and this hair feels amazing. And the color is so pretty. And I just wanted to show you. I'm going to show you inside the cap. It says it has a silk top, and it looks like a middle part. Yeah, pretty wide middle part. And then it's got the combs on the ear tabs. The rest of it looks to be closed wefted. It's not, yeah, it is stretchy. Usually when it's closed wefted, it's not. It's kind of an interesting wefting on this. And then there's a comb here at the nape. So we've got a comb over each ear and a comb at the nape. There is not one here, which I always remove the combs anyway. And then it's got the hook adjusters. It has this silk part. I can feel this is a silk top, and it's a very realistic looking scalp appearance there. It really looks nice. However, it does not have a lace front. It looks like it's got some curtain bangs that come down and cover that, I'm guessing. I'm gonna have to play around with that, but I assumed it had a lace front, but it's pretty. So we're gonna put it on. Okay, so first off, the cap fits large again. It's pretty big. I've got the adjusters in pretty far, but there's a lot of extra room in the cap. Like, gosh, probably at least an inch or so that I could take in back here. I have a 21.5 inch circumference. So if you've got a larger head, this would probably fit you great. The color is so pretty. And this is, gosh, straight out of the package, and it's looking pretty good. It doesn't seem to have box hair to that. Now, because this has the silk middle part, I can't really change where the part is, but that's okay. It's so pretty. I did not expect it to look so good straight out of the pack. Figured I'd have to do some styling of it, but it looks great. Oh my gosh, and it feels amazing. It is really soft hair. I'm not sure where their hair comes from that they use, but it's gorgeous and it's super soft. I'm gonna turn around real quick. Here's the back. The hair is so soft and it is perfect density. There's the right. I would say it is right at 100% density. Not too much and not too little. It's just right. So my only concern is not having a lace front, but I think if I do something good with the kind of curtain bangs, they're not, yeah, a little bit there. I don't think you can tell. Like, it doesn't look too obvious right now to me on camera, but I'm not sure. I love this color. It is so pretty. I can't believe this is a $150 wig. I'm gonna put some curls in her with the flat iron and we'll see how she looks after that. I'm gonna put some waves in her and I'm gonna get this heated up. I have this Kenra thermal spray I'm gonna use that's kind of it's a heat protectant, but it also works as a hairspray and it'll help it hold the curls. Okay, and I'm just gonna start turning. And, oh, pretty, pretty. See how easy that is? This has taken me a while to learn, but I feel like I've got kind of a handle on it. I still don't feel terribly confident, but I'm getting there. I'm way better than I was. Yeah, it's doing that really well. I'm trying not to take very big sections of hair. I tend to I don't usually section it into 2 different levels like you're supposed to, But this is a lower density wig, so I don't feel like it's absolutely necessary on this one. See, this is gonna be so pretty. This color is gorgeous. And I just slide it down, and then I hold it for a little bit before I pull down. I don't really pull, I just release the curl down there. I'll go ahead and do the sides. That's one of the joys of wearing wigs, is that you can take it off your head to style it. I get so excited every time I see it makes the curl the way I wanted it. I love the color on this. So pretty. Another section that I haven't curled yet. So I've got it all curled now, and I sprayed it with some of the heat protectant that's also hairspray, and I was letting it set for a minute, and then I'm just gonna finger comb through it. I am completely enamored with this color. It's beautiful. So let's put her on. It's so soft and so beautiful. And this is a $150 human hair wig, if you can believe it. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Hair moves beautifully. It feels wonderful. So here you go. Isn't she pretty? Oh my goodness, I love her. This is from Starluck. What a deal. It's right around $150, and this color is gorgeous. I'm gonna go outside and get some footage out there so you can see what color it is and how pretty this color is outside. So I'm outside to show this color. I'm trying to get into some sun so you can get a better idea. It is gorgeous. Absolutely a gorgeous color. I'm in love with this color, and this was the ombre one. It's like ombre blonde brown or something. Isn't that so pretty? They've done the blending so well. I'm in love with it, and it's the perfect length. I think it's 12 inches is what I think it said. So I want to show you, I've curled her all the way around and show you how she looks now. She's gorgeous, and the hair feels amazing. So that's my Starluck, my newest Starluck, and she's a good one.